Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Express for LinkedIn content detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Adobe Express or visit adobe.com/express. Once the Adobe Express homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to proceed. You will be presented with several options to create an account. You can choose to sign up using an email address, Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple ID. If you decide to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Click on the Continue or Sign Up button to advance. If you chose to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple, click on your preferred method. Follow the prompts to log in or authenticate your account. After logging in, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Adobe. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Adobe Express homepage. Now, you can customize your profile to suit your preferences. Upload a profile picture and fill in your details. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the available templates and tools suited for creating LinkedIn content. Select a template that resonates with your brand or message. Begin editing the template by adding your text, images, and branding elements. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download or Share button. You can opt to save your design directly to your computer or share it on LinkedIn. Repeat this process for any additional content you want to create. Remember to keep exploring Adobe Express for new features and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.